Okay, I got my tape. I don't like this. There's something not right here, so I'm going to undo this. I don't like the way it's angling. So what we're going to do is tape this sucker down a little bit the way it's supposed to be. Now you don't want to get any tape out here because this is where we're going to glue it. Alright? So now okay. Shit, did it move? You don't want it to move when it's drying. Like that. Jesus Christ. I'm running out of daylight and I keep fucking this one up. This joint is cursed. There's something wrong here. I'll be sitting here for 3 days trying to get this right. It's important. That's the start of the panel right there. Okay, so that's solid. These are all good. So here we go. That's it. So now, you don't need this for a while. I'm going to run this sucker down along here and tape it every little pieces. Once this tape is down, you can't pull it off anymore because you'll fuck up the panels, the cells. So if it's down, you got to live with it. I don't know if you guys can still see this, but I'm running all the way down here. Maybe I'll put the camera on the other end. How about that, huh? Na 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 na, we're moving. Alright, let's see how that looks. Oh yeah. Cool jewel. Okay, so this is our positive, running down. By the way, if you guys trade stocks, check out ddamanda.com. I know people that are watching this video are tired of that, but it's a really good program. You really need to check it out. I keep it open all the time. I can't trade stocks without it. Okay, so this is our positive all the way down, and this is our negative, okay? But what's going to happen is, you know, it's snaky. Back and forth, and then comes down, and this is our negative, okay? We're not going to solder this here, in case anybody's thinking that. But what I am going to do is put a bend here, and what you do is you just bend it like this, because we have to get to the middle, and you just push it down, and that's how you make a 90, okay? Now, I don't know, can we still see this? Let's see, let me back it up a little bit. Okay, let me see how that looks. Oh yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do eventually is we're going to come up across here, okay, and then we're going to go up. So we're going to put another bend here, and we're going to go up about that far, and I'm just going to cut it. Okay, just going to cut it. So this is our positive end here, okay, and that's going to come out like about here down the road when I get that far. But anyway, it's long enough. So now what we can do is hook up the negative. Okay. And the negative is going to go inside here. So let's solder the negative. And I need to come underneath here. Have to sort of measure this. and cut it. Used to have a guide say, paint's cheap, labor's expensive. Hope you guys saw all that. Fuck, I don't think you saw any of that. Son of a bitch. Fuck. Anyway, we ran our positive all the way down, and we made a bend here, and we made another bend here, okay? And we got enough to go in here. Then I soldered the negative, and I taped it down. You guys didn't see that. That's just wonderful. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing to the negative. Put a bend in it. Okay, and the negative has to go inside the positive, so this is a little bit too long. Should probably be about there. And we have enough. Let's tape it down a little bit. Na 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 na. I don't want to get any tape on this glass here, because that's where it's going to. That's where the silicone's going to go. Okay. So there's our negative coming up from underneath. The positive is from on top, from way down there. And now we're going to, our negatives probably bend it right about there. Okay. Alright, so there's a positive and negative. Now, I'm going to mark that. It's approximate. There and there. And now we're going to use a lot of tape. Is that still in frame? More or less. I may have to redo this or cut this video or something. But anyway, we're going to run these up here, so we have to insulate the, because we can't have it touching these leads, okay? So what I do is I'll just throw a bunch of tape on here. Because if you short it out, actually the panel's the box is going to be right about here. So 14 inches in. So you just tape the bejesus out of it. And I'm going to throw down a little bit of silicone first. Okay. I'm going to do 2 layers. Because you don't want it to short out. I guess we're not going to glue it until tomorrow. We're running out of daylight. So now, when these guys go up here, they're not going to short out the panel. I don't have a box here. I'll put a little bit more tape down here. Shoot. Remember, don't get tape on this outside glass border. I'm going to tape it one more little bit right there. Really? Alright. Okay, so now we got these going up here. I guess we'll quit for now. Anyway, I guess that's it. Go check out ddamanda.com if you trade stocks. So we're almost ready to cover this baby. She's looking pretty good, huh? Alright, see you guys later. Bye.